Hello, so today I'm at a renovated Kyo-machiya that is on a budget. So it's completely different from what you have seen from before, where everything is like perfectly renovated. This one, the price is very low for a reason. So I hope I can kind of just show you like the points that they are not fully done, but it's livable and at very low cost. So maybe this can be sort of a reference for you if you don't want to spend too much on renovating a machiya. Okay, let's go check this out. Alright, I'm at the entrance. As you can see already, it's not that spacious, big enough for a few pair of shoes and a small shoebox, but that's pretty much it. This is a toilet. I like this type of door very much. It saves a lot of space. It looks good. Not so much space in the toilet though. Again, this place is renovated on a budget, so you cannot expect too much. Alright, so right away we have the living room, kitchen, dining, they're all in the same place. This is usually called the LDK in Japanese. This is the outside, and then not so sure how big this is, but this is the space for the fridge, and this is a standard size kitchen here, probably 2 meters wide. So you have a full kitchen. There's not like an island counter because there's not that much space. And then this wall, it's not like the plaster mud wall, but these are the washi, Japanese paper, which looks pretty nice if you choose the right color to match the house. And here it comes the second point of why it's on budget. The garden is not made at all, and it's really tiny, so you can try to make use of it and try to make it more green, but again, not so much space. And if you see up here, the view is not that great. It's connected to a house right behind this Kyomachiya, and this wall here, I am not even sure if it belongs to this property or the neighbor. Okay. But these fitting, the doors, they are super nice. So gotta choose somebody with a good sense for choosing these interior. You have a pretty standard washroom. Okay, this is a standard size as well. How wide is this? I think 160, 70. I'm not sure, but it's not that big. And then the basin and the place for the washing machine. All right, there we have it for the first floor. So let's go right up to the second floor. This is, by the way, usually under the stair. There we have storage, but this is the only storage for the first floor. So you can imagine how lack of space this house has. And if you're going to be here with at least like minimum 3 people, it's going to be too small. But if you're by yourself or a couple, 2 people, I think this will be fine. Okay, sorry, I didn't even get to open the door here. Let's do it again. Open the door. All right. Bedroom, flooring, tatami mats. So, although it's renovated at a budget, but it still has its own original tatami space. It's only like 3 mats, not big enough for like a room, but if you would like to, you know, just read manga, comic, or just lay back to have a nap in the afternoon, I think this kind of space would be superb, relaxing. Even though now I'm filming from the ground level all the way up to the beams of this machiya. And I really like the design of this wall. I don't know how you call these, but a Japanese style. And here would be good for a bedroom. Alright, let's go into the budget points. First one, these original areas, they're not covered. It's just shown right outside the wall, and then the bamboo, I think, strips from before. That's one thing. If you don't care about it so much, it doesn't bother you, then it's fine. But here's the second one. This entire window and the frame, it's all from before, so nothing has been done to this part of the house. And then the balcony, and the neighbors are very close by, and you will see somebody else doing laundry and yourself doing laundry, and maybe there will be some awkward moments if you see somebody from the other side. Then that's something that is why this place is cheaper, being in an alley and close to other houses. And I can even go close. All right, let's go check out the other part of the window. The other part. This is facing the back of the house. Again, it's not fixed at all. It's all this original window, and even here it's not replaced. So I would really suggest them to even just replace this part. It doesn't look good at all. Your neighbors on the back, so close to each other, which I don't personally like. But that's again why this place is cheaper than the others. But it's not dark or anything, so you get enough light from the outside. And today is quite gloomy. It was raining, but even without, I think by turning off the lighting here, it's not gonna be so bad. Let's try to turn everything off. Okay. Alright, it feels different, but you know, still bright from the outside. Nothing wrong. Again, my favorite place would be this tatami area. One last thing, the stairway, it's new, so not one of these super steep ones, so you can be safe just walking up and down.